Makeup is amazing. It boosts confidence. It lets you express yourself. It's fun to experiment with. Don't be scared of makeup. It's not about hiding flaws. It's about enhancing your natural beauty. Remember, makeup washes off. Have fun with it. Experiment. Find what you love. Start with clean skin. Use a gentle cleanser and moisturizer. Next, apply foundation or tinted moisturizer. Use a brush or sponge to blend evenly. Concealer hides blemishes. Add color to your cheeks with blush. Smile and apply to the apples of your cheeks. Blend outwards. Finish with mascara for longer, fuller lashes. Apply 1 or 2 coats. Want a natural look? Use neutral eyeshadows. Apply eyeliner close to your lash line. Going glam? Try a smoky eye. Use darker eyeshadows and blend well. Red lipstick adds a touch of drama. For daytime, a light lip gloss is perfect. For evening, try a bold lipstick. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment. Find what works for you. Watch tutorials, read magazines, ask for advice. There are so many resources available. Most importantly, have fun with makeup. It's a tool for self-expression. Enjoy the journey.